The best time to upload a shared health summary to a patient's record is at the end of your consultation. Go to the end, choose the My Health Record tab. On the right-hand side, choose this icon, and then choose Send a Shared Health Summary. Briefly check this information, that it is all correct, and that you're happy for this to go on the patient's record. If there was something on here you did not want, you would just simply untick it. On the right-hand side, say OK. This is a preview of the document. You should scan, and when you're happy, on the right-hand side again, choose Send. This document has been uploaded and sent to the patient's record. Remember, it is considered standing consent by having a My Health record that you are able to upload and view. Thank you.